I really love Mumbai. I was born and brought up here, and no matter where I go, the city always stays with me. So, with that thought in mind, I decided to 3D print a mini model of the city, something that could stay with me wherever I go. And since I spent a lot of time in South Mumbai, Marine Drive felt like an obvious place to start for this model. So, I designed a 3D model of this specific part of the city, and then scaled it based on how big I wanted the final cityscape to be. I didn't try to add a lot of small details to the buildings. I focused more on getting clean shapes and proportions that print well. After that, I decided to cut out the water part completely with the idea of using a blue sheet as background later to depict the sea. This would actually save a lot of filament. Then I decided to print the roads in black, the grass in green and the buildings in white. So I loaded the different filaments on my 3D printer, sliced the model in Bamboo Studio and sent it to print. I honestly didn't know how the print would turn out or how well the intricate details would come through. But the way my 3D printer captured even the tiniest details really surprised me, and it turned out to be a clean, detailed and really beautiful print. Next, I designed a frame specifically for this model and 3D printed that in black PLA. Once the frame and the cityscape were ready, I prepared a blue laminated sheet to use as the background, and it was finally time for assembly. I slid the blue sheet into the slot of the frame and then placed the cityscape model on top. It fit perfectly, and honestly, the result was way better than I imagined. The best part about this design is that the model itself can be swapped with different parts of the city. So I made similarly scaled models of some other parts of Mumbai too. And look how good they turn out. This started as a personal project for me, but could actually be a very thoughtful gifting idea. Like when you want to mark a specific place on the map. It could be the area where you grew up, your first house, or even the place where you first met someone special. It's a small part of the city, but could mean a lot. If you want to know more about how I generate these models, let me know in the comments and tell me which part of your city would you want to keep with you. See you in the next one.